What's up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the gym on a great day. Here we are. It is Saturday. It's 8 a.m. We're meeting up with a bunch of other cars because today we're going on a rally, our first ever rally with our C8 mid-engine Corvette. I'm so excited about it. Who knows what kind of cars are going to show up? I'm guessing a lot of exotics. What's also really cool is that we're teaming up with Omaze to give away a new C8 Corvette just like this one in torch red with the Z51 performance package plus $20,000. For your chance to win, visit omaze.com/speed. We'll talk much more about it towards the end of this video. Not just that, today we're testing out new tires that were sent to us by the Corvette Forum, the new Yokohama Advan Apex V601. So today it should be a lot of fun. Let's get there. Behind us we have Daniel in his Shelby GT350 white and blue, the opposite color combo of our track pack coming in. And I wonder how many Shelbys we're actually going to see today. And would you look at that, 650S. Okay, well I think we've made it. Tons of exotics. Might have the only GT350 here, right? Let's look around. Nope, yep, flat plane crank. So here we have the C8 Corvette next to a McLaren 650S, I believe. And it's pretty interesting seeing how the body lines on the Corvette, it's much harsher. It's hard, pointy lines. And then with the McLaren, as you can see, you got the curves with the McLaren logo as the headlights. Really nice. This is gonna be the staging area. Right now we have tons of exotic cars. Lamborghini Huracan in front of me, Ferraris, McLarens, even an Audi R8. And we have Joe's AMG GTR, the C8. So in total, 4 C8s out here today. We should be heading out and starting this rally very shortly. These cars are loud, man. This is gonna be a lot of fun. I can already notice that everybody's revving non-stop. Oh, it's the posture too. Wow. Right next to us, we got the trio of C8s, red, white, and orange. Being that the C8 is now DCT, one thing that you gotta get used to with this all-new transmission is that you can't creep with it because it's more like a manual than an automatic. It's a learning curve. There's a learning curve with it, but it makes it more exciting to drive. Behind me is the SVJ. Yep, it is the SVJ. Oh my gosh, what a cool sight. Wow, that car looks amazing. And it's such a fast track car. Unbelievable. We almost missed it. Wow, this is fun. Look at all the exotics. Lotus, Lamborghinis. Oh my gosh. This is insane.
That was quite a start.
The C8 fits right into this, absolutely. It definitely does get windy in here with the top down. I can barely hold on to my hat right now. Tunnel. Lamborghini Performante right in front of me. We've made it to, I think, our second stopping point for the day. We are on the bottom of Angeles Crest Highway. I think we're seeing some guys need gas, but then after this, it's up to the corners. Next to us is a Pikachu Porsche, and then a GTR, another GTR, tons of exotics. This car, by the way, It handles so well. I barely turn the steering wheel at high speed, and the entire car just darts left and right. It's so hooked up. It's like driving a go-kart. Again, I've said that so many times, but it's like driving a go-kart. You just feel so connected with it. One thing I did notice though was that driving fast with the top down, the wind is crazy. My hat almost flew off numerous times. Meanwhile, at the gas station. This is it, Angeles Crest Highway. It feels so gradual. I can predict everything that's going on with this chassis, with the tires. If it starts slipping, I know. I can change my inputs. Really, I'm feeling pretty confident right now. I can say it 1,000 times. When you get this car, you will have fun.
So fun, right?
Huh? Oh yeah. Okay, so stop number 2. Man, this thing just hugs the corners. The best part about it is that you don't have to go to a racetrack to have fun. You can spiritedly drive on mountain roads like this as long as you do it safely. The C8 just comes alive. Right now we have Joe and his AMG GTR right behind us. We'll have to catch up with him very shortly once we get back. But I think he's having a blast. That car is so amazing. Again, as you guys know, we made a video with him not too long ago. Then Daniel's behind him. One thing that was pretty cool to see was that there's a second orange C8 here, and the owner of the car is going to get a twin turbo, but not like any other twin turbo kit that's out there. This time around, if you're familiar with like the 600 LT, that car has exhaust tips shooting straight up out of the back deck lid. So what he's doing is that he's putting twin turbos in the car, and then the exhaust are going to be shooting straight up right behind the engine, basically where the trunk is. It's going to be unlike anything else. It's so cool hearing about that. Being a Corvette, we're still going to see unbelievable mods. Mirrors in for the Lamborghini Huracan. So we have made it to the final pit stop of the day. Right next to us, McLaren 570. Yes, major fan of the McLarens. It would be pretty cool to see a 0 to 60 race side by side between a 570 and a C8 Corvette. That's going to wrap up this event. That was so much fun. Haven't been on a rally like that in like forever, and with this car, it couldn't have been any more exciting. It really couldn't. We may have to get an exotic, like an actual Italian car pretty soon. I'm looking at a few exotics right now. Check out that wrap. What do you think? Honest impressions. It's pretty crazy. You can get really good deals on 650S McLarens and even MP412C. Then we have Daniel. This is what I'm talking about right here. This is how you do it.
Only Shelby in the house, man.
Yeah. So side by side with a Lamborghini Huracan, definitely the Lamborghini is lower.
Keeping up with Lamborghini.
You're doing a lot of work because being only Shelby here, it might be one of the only manual cars here.
I know.
Thinking about it.
No,
It's the last of a breed, right? Because
amazing, man. Especially up in those canyon roads over there.
Yeah.
Everything on this car is stock.
100% stock.
You might want to do a resonator. Sound like an
Oh yeah, like
I don't know,
DR, right?
Yeah.
Well, in loud mode DR, it's definitely, I think it's worth the resonator delete if you do that. You know what, you got the same wing as my 500 did. Yeah, it's the same exact wing.
I had the gurney flap.
Oh, the gurney flap? Is there
Yeah.
the holes for them on this?
I don't think so, but I think you can.
Oh, no,
I think you
yeah.
can drill, I'm not sure.
You can probably figure that one out. With these two cars right here, you know, with this rally, right? We've seen a lot of exotic cars right here.
Yeah.
Each of these cars borrowed something from the exotic scene. You got the flat plane cranks, straight out of a Ferrari. They bought a 458, they took it apart, and they got that flat plane crank for your VA. And then this is mid-engine, just like it's got to be inspired to some degree by the exotic. So this is showing America stepping into a new realm right here. So for your chance to win a 2020 Corvette Stingray Z51 plus $20,000, go to amaze.com/speed and enter now. I honestly think 2020 is going to go down as the most limited and sought after year for the new Stingray mid-engine Corvette. They are sold out everywhere. The best part is not only do you have the chance to win a new mid-engine Corvette, but also every donation supports the Ronald Reagan UCLA Medical Center. You're doing it for a good cause. So hurry up, that's amaze.com/speed. Go there, donate, and good luck. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button, really does help me out. Also, subscribe for much more great C8 Corvette content coming your way. Expect tons more crazy rallies coming your way. I'll see all of you in the next episode.